So we're gonna do a little breathwork session here. I'm gonna do 4 breaths. We're gonna start out with alternate nostril breathing. Then we're gonna go into breath of fire, and then we're going to go into uh, box breathing, and then we're gonna go into just a coherent breathing to bring everything down. So it's gonna get the body woken up, get a little excited, integrate that practice, and then the come down. That's what that's sort of the 4 sequences here. So the alternate nostril breathing, I'm just going to explain these real quick, and then I'm going to do them. We're going to do them for 2 minutes each with a 1 minute rest in between. I'm not going to do any counting specifically, so then I'm going to do this quick explanation. So the alternate nostril is however you want to do it, but generally speaking, you put your thumb over your right nostril, and then one finger. Usually, they use the whatever the middle finger goes over. Actually, I think it's this one. It doesn't really matter. Point is, block off the nostril. Inhale, block, exhale. Inhale, block, exhale. That's alternate nostril. The breath of fire. These are all through the nose, by the way. Everything's through the nose. Is All you're doing is you're exhaling, and then you're taking these short inhales. I'm sorry, you're taking your short exhale. So it'll look like this. So I'm squeezing my diaphragm in quickly and exhaling quickly. That is the breath of fire. And then the box breathing is very simply um, a 6 second inhale, 6 second hold, 6 second exhale, 6 second hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. And if you can do it as many seconds as you want, to be real honest. It's in like 4 seconds to 8 seconds. Sometimes, it just, if you can elongate your breath, great. And then the coherent breathing, which we should all know, is basically a 5 to 6 second inhale with a 5 to 6 second exhale. So we are going to start with the alternate nostril. Here we go. And just come into 1 minute of rest. Pay attention to any sensations in your body. So now we're going to do the breath of fire. So inhaling, exhaling, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Breathe normally. So now we'll start the box breathing. Again, it's a inhale, equal hold, equal exhale, equal hold. I'm going to start out with around 6 seconds. Just sitting, feeling your body. So now moving into the coherent breathing, 5 to 6 seconds inhale, 5 to 6 seconds exhale. And just going back into your natural breathing, paying attention to the sensations in your body. How do you feel? What has shifted? 2 minutes for each of these breaths is a pretty good standard to look for. 5 minutes is great. If you can work your way up to that, just kind of incrementally working your way up to longer periods of time. And then, hey, it's a free for all. Maybe you do it for 10 minutes each, maybe you mix and match. Um, but in any case, come back to your breath. This is the key to shifting those inner states and the head spin that might be present, or the worry, the doubt, the anxiety, any of those kinds of things, just coming back into the breath. All right. Hope that helps. Have a great day.